Hello everyone, welcome to this new tutorial on my channel. In this tutorial I am going to show you how you need to set up a member counter just like this one in your Discord server. Before we get into it, please consider liking and subscribing and maybe even joining my Discord server. Now let's actually get into it. Alright, first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna go over to our settings, service settings. I'm gonna scroll down to app directory, and here we are gonna search for server stats, and just like that we're gonna use this one. This is the one that I always used. There are others, but I don't use them, so I also don't know how to work with them. We're gonna press this one, add app, select the server, test server. That's the name of the server I'm going to demonstrate this in. You of course have to choose your server that you want to add it to. Continue, make sure it's all connected, all checked, sorry, and press authorize. Wait a little bit and then go to server, and as you can see here, we the server stats just landed. And now we're just gonna press type slash, no slash, and then counter create, no category create, of course. And this is just gonna create a category where all the server stats will be displayed. And just like that, the category is created, server stats. Now we're gonna type slash again, counter create, and then we can see the types of counters: members and bots. That's just literally everyone that's in your server. Members only, only the members and not the bots. Bots only the bots, not the members. Pending members, members with certain roles, and that's like members with some type of role. Sorry, didn't have to do that. Like with this you can count your admins, and then everyone with admin role will get this one in the counter. Roles in the server, the amount of roles you have in the service, and then members without any roles. I'm gonna keep it simple for now, and I am only gonna make these three, and then maybe with certain roles too. Members and bots, just everyone, and just like it says here, choose a voice channel. It works best for the counters, just like that, and you don't need to add any additionals here. Just gonna add that, and here we are, all members 3. As you can see, I only have 3 people in this server at the moment, because yeah, this is a test server for me. We're gonna create another one, create counter, and then bots only, channel, voice channel, of course, once again, enter, and it's thinking, and now we can see that we have 2 bots. Another counter create, bots only. No, we already have bots only. I need to do members only, just like that. Oh, voice channel, of course, and then just press enter. One member. You can of course switch these for the places if you want to do that, but this is good for me for now. Counter create, members with certain roles, voice channel, and then here in additional you have to tag the role that you want. I'm just gonna add service ticket fee too, and as you can see here, ticket fee, that has to be ticket fee too, but it says only one because you can't have numbers in the name, I think, because that will mess up the system. Of course, if you want to change the name of it, you can just have to do this, everything before the dots, and then you can just name it whatever you want, save changes, and it will also save the stuff, all the, yeah, how do you say that? The counter will stay the same, and the name will also stay the same if there's another person with that role gets added. Let's create another counter, members without any roles, once again voice channel, and then just press enter. The amount of members with no roles, counter create, the amount of roles in the server, voice channel, once again, press enter. Oh, I have a cooldown at the moment because I was going a little too fast. Now I'm gonna try it once again. And now it did in fact get added. See, I only have 3 roles. And that is just the bots, I think. Yeah. Let's create another counter. Pending members. Just enter. You say, oh no, of course. Now I know what pending members means. It's members that are still, if you enable your community, that are still busy with like the onboarding stuff. Let's note that. But yeah, if people are, if you know what onboarding is, you know what I mean. If you don't, then you just don't have to do anything with it. It's like when your onboarding is on, it's the people that are still like and answering the questions of your onboarding. Those people are like pending members. But that were already all the types of counters. If you watch as a normal person, like I am going to do right now, view server, then it's a full log icon. It looks really nice. You can join the voice channel. It's just like a counter. But that was already it for this tutorial. Like I said, it's super easy. So yeah, thank you all for watching. Definitely like, subscribe, and even join my Discord server, Pandora Development. This is the invite link. So I'll see you guys in my server or in the next video.